Hello guys, this is weekend and you guys know what we'll do during the weekend. You understand? I always bring you updates. You understand? I analyze the chart for you guys every weekend. Every weekend I'll try my best to analyze the chart even as I'm documenting on my trading journey on my channel here. I bring to you my trading analysis also. The way I analyzed my chart, the way I related to my chart, every I bring it to you guys. So this is weekly time frame, and what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? The market is on this particular resistance level. This is where the market is, this particular resistance level. And if you look the pattern closely from this weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? This is a double top. You understand? As you can see, the market did not close above this particular top here. This is the week that we have, you understand, and this is where the market close. And this particular week also did not close above the body of this particular candlestick. So this particular week have closed already, and had it been a close above this particular week, this very one, this week here, this body is, had it been a close above this body, then we'll be expecting the market to go far, you understand. But as the market not close above this particular body, it comes down, it go up, comes down, and close below, close exactly the same place where this particular one close. What are we expecting? We are expecting the market to form an M pattern, just as it is like this. Let me delete the arrow and carry it again, because for where I place it cannot do what I want. So as the market go up, reach the resistance level, it comes down, form something like a lower low, you understand, go up again, touch it, touch the same resistance level, come down. What I'm expecting the market to do now is, as it's forming this M pattern, is to go to the next support level. And where is the next support level from the weekly time frame? Is this particular area. Yes, and this is weekly time frame. We know the, like, we're trying to know the direction of the market from the weekly time frame before we analyze it down to the lower time frame, because we the scalper and the trader cannot take a trade based on the weekly time frame. All we do is to take trades on the lower time frame, but to know the direction of the market from the weekly time frame. Get me right? So this is a support level we are expecting the market to come, as the market form a double top here. The market, this is a double top that the market form. This is the double top. So we are expecting the market to create an M pattern, then come to this particular support level before we see any other move. So I'm going to clear all this thing, and then we'll switch to the lower time frame, which was the next candlestick that we're going to look up to, daily time frame. So we'll go to daily time frame now and see what the daily time frame is telling us. So here is daily time frame, and exactly what are you seeing? Almost like what is happening on the weekly time frame is what is happening on the daily time frame. The market do what here? What pattern is the market forming? This is a high, a low, and this particular high suppose take out, had it been the uptrend will continue, this particular high suppose take out this previous high, then create another high, you get. But it comes here, do something like a double top, then we are seeing this particular engulfing candlestick to the downside. So what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to go to this next support level, you get. If the market reach this support level, it will react, but from the weekly time frame, this is where we are expecting the market to come. So here we'll mark two support level out. One support level will be from here, one support level will be here, you get. Then another support level will be here, another support level will be here. This is the two support level we are expecting the market to react from on the daily time frame. So we are expecting the market, as it form this particular engulfing candlestick and it's forming an M pattern, we are expecting the market to come to this support level, then maybe retrace back a bit, then break below this particular support level and come to this major support level. This is a major support level because it's on the daily time frame, and here is a major support level from the weekly time frame. Get me right? So we are going straight now to the 4-hour time frame. How this is a pure top-down analysis that I'm teaching you guys now. This is a pure top-down analysis. So we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what 4-hour time frame is saying. Either if the 4-hour time frame is corresponding with the higher time frame like weekly, daily, then 4-hour. So let's see 4-hour time frame together. So this is 4-hour time frame. You understand? As you can see, I tell you, inside trend there is a trend inside trend. So what exactly the 4-hour candlestick is doing? This is the high that caused the breakout structure from this particular area. This is the candlestick, this is the high, this is the previous high that caused the breakout structure, and it forms something like a head and shoulder. If you look closely, let me expand the chart. I'm going to expand this chart so that we'll see it very, very clear. Oh, I've over expanded it. Okay. Let it be like this. Okay, if you look closely, this is a head, this is a shoulder, come down, then this is the head. You get it, come down, then this is a then let me carry it again. Come down, then this is the shoulder. Before we see a break, is this particular lower low now that break this structure. If not, had it been the market move here and create another higher high, and then the uptrend will continue. This is 4-hour time frame and is corresponding with the lower time frame, with the higher time frame, which is daily and weekly time frame now. So you form something like a head and shoulder here. This is a shoulder, and this is the head. You get, this is a head, this particular place is the head. So as a form head and shoulder, the next lower low break this particular low, which cause the break of structure, and since then the market is been forming lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a lower low, create another small lower high, come down, this is a lower low. You understand? And if you trace this particular place, if you trace it, this is a support level. The reason why you are seeing a retracement to the upside from this particular place, from this place, is because of this support level. So as the market come to this support level, it started going up. It started reversing back up. So what exactly the market is going to do? This is a high, and this is a lower high. This is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, that break below, that break off structure, from that break this structure. This is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this particular video now is teaching you a market structure. And what exactly this particular uptrend is doing, because inside trend there is a trend inside trend. What pattern is this, and what exactly is it doing? It's coming up to mitigate this particular high that creates the breakout structure from the higher time frame. So finally the market has mitigate this particular high. You understand? That break below that caused this down now. You understand? As you can see, it take all the liquidity from this particular area from here. Now what exactly are we seeing? We are seeing a push down from this particular resistance level now. We are seeing a push down from this particular resistance level. So what are we expecting? That's the question to ask. I'm going to clear all this now. I'm going to clear all this drawing. Okay, so what exactly are we expecting? So now you just come to your, as a day trader and as a scalper and a day trader, you do your analysis. Now you know the direction of the market, that the market have go to the upside and mitigate the previous higher low that caused the break of structure to the downside. Now it remain the market now to be going to the right this thing direction, and the right direction is the low, is a downtrend. Now because the market make a double top from the weekly time frame, from the daily time frame e make a double top, then we are seeing a retrace back up from the 4 hour time frame, and the 4 hour time frame where exactly is targeting is it has go and work, do its work. You understand? So let me just hold it that way. It has go there and do its work. So what we will be expecting now from next week is the market. You come to your day 4 hour time frame and mark every support level out. Every support and resistance level out. This is one. This is another one. Another support level. Then this is another support level. This is another support level. This is another support level. Then there is another support level again. This is another support level. Then just like that, like that, like that, like that. All this support level that you are seeing, this is another support level. So what exactly, as a day trader, as a swing, as a day trader and a scalper, what exactly are you going to do now? Anything you are trying to do in this market condition now, anything you're trying to do on this market condition now, if you are to take a buy or a sell, is to wait for the market to, as the market touch this particular support level, you know that yes, there is the probability that the market will make something like a W pattern from the lower time frame, maybe 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame, make a W pattern if you are to take a buy. But it's very, very necessary if you follow the trend. Now the trend, this particular one has make a double top already, and it has go and do the work from the work the higher time frame send them to do. It has go there and do that particular work. This week here have done the work. You understand? So now what you are supposed to do is to wait for the market to retrace. Wait for the as in mitigate this particular support level. You wait for a retrace to the upside. You understand? Then you enter for a sell. Just follow the trend. You enter for a sell, then come to this particular support level again, then wait a bit again, then you see a break to the downside. If the market break to this support level, you still wait, it will retrace back to this resistance level, come again, break below it to the next support level. You understand? Then wait again, it will go and retest this particular resistance level, then come down again. You understand? This is how the market work. You get, this is how the market work. And if you go to your 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, and 1 hour, this is exactly what you'll be getting. You understand? So we the scalpers and the traders, this is what we'll do. We'll do our analysis from the 4 hour time frame. We'll mark support and resistance level from the 4 hour time frame. Then we'll be waiting for the market to give us our entry signal before we take any action. But first of all, what you do is to do your top down analysis. And this is the simple way to do your top down analysis. Know what the market is saying from the higher time frame, switch like weekly time frame, then switch down to the daily time frame. You understand? Then after you know what the market is saying from the daily time frame, then you switch down to 4 hour time frame, mark your support and resistance level out from the 4 hour time frame before you go down to daily time frame, 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, me personally, I use 15-minute time frame as my execution. 15-minute time frame is my execution time frame, but I will know the direction from the higher time frame before I go down to 15-minute time frame to wait for my entry signal. You get? I wait for the 15-minute time frame to give me entry signal towards the direction of the market. You understand? Towards each of any way. You understand? So this is simple way to do your top down analysis, and I would prefer you to do this thing every blessed day. Every day as a scalper or a day trader, do your top down analysis from the 4 hour time frame, mark your support and resistance level out, then you execute from the lower time frame. You understand? Then every week make sure you see how the weekly time frame close, go to daily time frame, see how the daily time frame close, then go to 4 hour time frame and mark your support and resistance level out from the 4 hour time frame. Then use your lower time frame like 1 hour time frame, 30 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, and execute your trade. This is the end of the video. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the channel, because I post all my trading journey on this particular channel. I document everything here, and I want you to be learning 1 or 2 things from inside. And as you are learning from inside, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the only help you give to me from this particular update that I'm bringing to you guys. Thank you, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now.